I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a billing error on the PlayStation app, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balance can cause billing errors. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Go to your account settings and review your purchase history for any discrepancies. This will help you identify if a specific transaction is causing the issue. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure your PlayStation app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to errors. Check the App Store for updates. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the error persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can resolve any temporary glitches. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, PlayStation App Storage, Clear Cache. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PlayStation support. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you've already taken. Sometimes, a simple billing error can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you get back on track. Good luck and happy gaming!